Strawberries, one of the sweetest, easiest, and most rewarding fruits you can grow. But here's the thing. Small, sour berries? You're missing a key growing trick. Plants growing leaves but no fruit? There's a simple fix for that. Strawberries dying before they even produce? I'll show you exactly what went wrong. Don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know how to grow big, juicy, and super sweet strawberries right in your backyard or containers. Plus, I've got a mind-blowing strawberry fact at the end that will change how you see this fruit forever. Be sure to check out our free app to see which vegetables are perfect for your unique situation. Let's get started. Step 1. Why you should grow strawberries. Store-bought strawberries? They don't even come close to the flavor of fresh, homegrown ones. Here's why you should grow them. Sweet, juicy berries. Way better than store-bought. They come back every year, if you grow the right type. Great for small spaces, perfect for containers, hanging baskets, or garden beds. Fast-growing and rewarding. You can get fruit in the first year. Fun fact, did you know strawberries aren't actually berries? Botanically, they're an aggregate fruit because their seeds are on the outside. Step 2. Choosing the right strawberry variety. Not all strawberries are the same. There are 3 main types, and picking the right one is key. June-bearing, biggest berries, once per year. Chandler, super juicy, large, and perfect for fresh eating. Honeoye, one of the earliest ripening varieties. Ever-bearing, multiple harvests per year. Ozark Beauty, sweet, hardy, and great for containers. Albion, high yield and disease resistant. Day neutral, fruits, all season. Seascape, produces continuously from spring to fall. TriStar, compact, great for small spaces. Pro tip, for the biggest harvest, plant a mix of June-bearing and ever-bearing varieties. Step 3. When and where to plant strawberries. Strawberries love the sun, but timing is everything. Best time to plant, early spring, right after the last frost, perfect for bare root plants. Late summer to early fall, ideal for container strawberries. Where to plant? Full sun, at least 6 to 8 hours a day. Raised beds or well-draining soil. Hanging baskets and containers work great too. Pro tip, strawberries hate wet feet. Avoid soggy soil or they'll rot. Step 4. Preparing the perfect soil for your strawberries. Good soil equals huge, sweet berries. Here's how to get it right. Loose, well-draining soil. No clay or compacted dirt. pH between 5.5–6.8. Slightly acidic is perfect. Rich in organic matter. Mix in compost or aged manure before planting. DIY strawberry soil. Mix 50% compost for nutrients, 40% garden soil, 10% sand perlite for drainage. Pro tip, mulch with straw or pine needles. It keeps berries clean and prevents rot. Step 5. How to plant strawberries. Planting strawberries the right way makes all the difference. For garden beds, space plants, 12–18 inches apart. Keep the crown above soil level. Burying it equals rot. Water deeply after planting. For containers and hanging baskets, use at least a 12-inch wide pot for one plant. Choose a lightweight, well-draining soil mix. Pro tip, strawberries spread. If growing in beds, leave room for runners. Step 6. Watering and feeding strawberries. Strawberries love water, but not too much. Here's how to get it right. Watering tips. 1 to 1.5 inches of water per week. Water at the base, not on the leaves. Prevents disease. Mulch helps retain moisture. Feeding tips. Use a balanced fertilizer, 10–10–10, once a month. Compost tea or fish emulsion boosts fruit production. Pro tip, stop feeding strawberries in late summer. Over-fertilizing yields lots of leaves, but fewer berries. Step 7. Protecting strawberries from pests and diseases. Strawberries are delicious, but pests think so too. Common strawberry enemies and how to stop them: slugs and snails. Use crushed eggshells or beer traps around plants. Gray mold and rot. Keep plants well spaced for airflow. Use straw mulch to prevent berries from touching the soil. Birds and squirrels. Cover plants with netting or floating row covers. Pro tip: plant onions or basil nearby. They repel pests naturally. Step 8. How to harvest strawberries like a pro. Harvesting at the right time equals the sweetest berries. Strawberries are ready when fully red and slightly soft. Harvest in the morning for the best flavor. How to harvest. Snip berries with scissors. Don't pull. Leave a little stem attached. They last longer in storage. Pro tip: pick strawberries every day. Ripe ones don't last long. Crazy strawberry fact. Here's a wild fact. Strawberries are the only fruit with seeds on the outside. A single strawberry can have 200 plus seeds on its surface. That means every berry is packed with potential new plants. Want more fun gardening tips? Subscribe now, because you can grow it.